Get Dubsado, they said. Your clients will have a custom branded experience, they said. It's going to streamline your whole operations, they said. Then you log in, you pay the price, and then listen, don't get me wrong. I love Dubsado. Lord knows I do. But that learning curve is a beast. But it doesn't have to be. What if I told you that you can have that whole learning curve overcome in a day? Not weeks, not months, but a day. I mean, you can literally go from this to this. I'll be honest, when I first purchased Dubsado, I didn't use it for a full year. That's right, a full year. I was intimidated by the interface, and I just struggled with understanding how in the world to set the system up. There are so many moving parts, but over time, Dubsado came out with so many new features, and I started seeing how people were using their portal in such creative ways that inspired me to do the Pimp Your Dubsado video. And that's when everything took off. I learned all the tricks and workarounds to make your Dubsado system sing. Well, I can't sing, but your Dubsado can sing. I became super proficient on how to use Dubsado out of the box or really integrated with whatever system that you're using in your business right now. I also became so well versed in what Dubsado can and can't do that I even think I stumped technical support a couple of times. I've also become highly regarded in helping my clients really get comfortable learning and navigating Dubsado so that they can be proficient in it long after I'm done setting it up. So what manner of sorcery is this Dubsado VIP day that you speak of? Well, it's a 6-hour intensive where I bring together your branding, your processes, and your content and work with you to implement a Dubsado setup that will help you go forth and slay, queen. I set up your form templates, canned emails, schedulers, packages, and workflows so that your main business process is up and running and delivering a bespoke customer experience. Wouldn't you just rather relax and bask in the glow of the wonderful decision you made to purchase Dubsado without all the headache and confusion of wondering whether you're doing things right or whether you're gonna mess things up? I got you, boo. For a limited time only, I'm offering you an introductory 20% discount if you go and sign up on the wait list for the Dubsado Made Simple VIP day. Now this is introductory pricing, so sign up soon. In addition to the 6-hour intensive, I'm including a bonus 14 days of email and voice support after the VIP day. So again, sign up on the wait list and I'll see you on the other side.